everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Katie Elise. I'm a belly dancer, choreographer and instructor from London, and I'm going to teach you how to do belly dance. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to do the reverse figure of 8, and it looks just like this. Now come with me and let's get started. Okay everyone, so for the figure of 8, to start with, what I want you to imagine is an 8, a figure of 8, or an infinity sign on the floor. Just like we did with the figure of 8, with the reverse we're doing exactly the same. If you want to check out the figure of 8, here's the link above, but for now, let's stick with the reverse. So imagining that infinity sign or figure of 8 on the floor, and we are going to trace out that movement with our hips. But this time, we're bringing the hips forward. So it's also a combination of using our hip slides and our hip twists. Good. Okay, so let's start by twisting our hip back on the right. And we're going to start to slide the hip over, pushing our weight onto our right. Good, hip is still back. And now we're going to twist the hip forward, drawing this semicircle to the front. Semicircle to the front. Good, now my right hip is in front. My weight is still on my right, and now I need to transfer my weight over to my left. So I'm going to slide my hip and transfer my weight. So my hip is facing the back on the left. Good, now we're going to trace it forward. Trace it forward. Good. And now we're going to slide it over again to the right. Right hip is back. Trace it forward. Slide over to the left. Trace it forward. Slide over to the right. Good. Trace it forward. Slide to the right. Left. Trace it forward. Slide to the right. Good. Okay. This time we're going to smooth out that action. So again, twisting back on the right. Let's slide to the front and change weight to the left. And right, bring the hip forward. Left, bring the hip forward. Right and left. Right and left. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, let's try it with 2 counts per figure of 8. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Really exaggerate those hips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent work, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see you in next week's video as well. Don't forget, I do release videos every week, so I will see you then. But until then, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below if there's any videos you want to see, and share with a friend if you think they want to belly dance too. And until then, I will see you next week.